This tablet has something very unique. The screen can switch between 3 different modes with just one button. There's a full color mode for vibrant visuals, a light color mode with reduced saturation to ease eye strain, and a pure black and white mode that feels perfect for reading and sketching. The screen has a nano-etched matte surface, so there is no reflection, no glare, just a clean paper-like display that's comfortable to look at for long sessions. In today's video, I'm reviewing the XPPEN Magic Note Pad. I'm going to give you my opinion, show you how it works, and the different ways I've been using it over the past few weeks. So let's get into it. So this is how the package arrived. Everything was securely packed and protected inside an outer box. Let's open it up. Right on top we have the tablet itself. I will take a closer look at that in a minute. Then we have the case, which is actually included in the box, and I really appreciate that because we don't have to buy it separately. Next we've got the user guides and documentation along with the pen. You also get a few replacement nibs and a nib removal tool. And finally, there is a USB-C cable and the power adapter. So overall, everything you need to get started is included right out of the box. The only extra accessory you might want is the keyboard. XPPEN also offers an optional folio keyboard. Let's open that too. Inside we have the folio keyboard itself, plus a set of key stickers that let you adapt the layout for different formats. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the tablet itself. The Magic Note Pad is just 7mm thick and it weighs only 495 grams. So it feels light and easy to carry around. The silver finish gives it a very clean and minimal look while still feeling solid in the hand. The pen attaches magnetically to the side of the tablet and the magnet is strong enough that it stays securely in place while carrying it around. The folio case also connects magnetically and fits really well. It keeps the tablet protected and there is a dedicated spot that helps protect the pen too. The material has a soft, slightly velvety rubberized texture which feels nice and also prevents the tablet from slipping around on the desk. As for the folio keyboard, it wraps around the tablet securely and stays firmly attached, so there is no concern about it falling off accidentally. The keyboard sits right here inside and there is also a cutout for the pen. It supports 2 viewing angles, 58 and 66 degrees, which makes it comfortable to use whether you are typing, drawing or just watching content. Pairing the keyboard with the Magic Note Pad through Bluetooth is quick and straightforward, and the connection has been really stable in my experience. Unlike the pen, which doesn't require charging at all, the keyboard does need to be recharged occasionally, but the battery life is great. According to XPPEN, it can last up to 60 hours of use on a single charge. The tablet itself also has very solid battery life. With moderate use around 3 to 4 hours per day, it can easily last about a week before needing to be charged again. Let's see now the screen. XPPEN calls it the X Paper display, a 10.95-inch matte screen designed to feel much closer to real paper than a traditional tablet display. Again, there is no glare or reflection, which makes it much more comfortable to use for long periods. But what really makes this tablet unique is the dedicated button right next to the power button. With a single press, you can instantly switch between 3 different display modes. Mode 1 is called Nature Color. This is the standard full color mode. Everything looks vivid, bright and sharp, just like on a regular tablet. It's perfect for watching videos, browsing photos or anything visual. Mode 2 is called Light Color. This mode softens the colors and lowers the saturation, creating a warmer paper-like appearance. The colors are still visible and easy to distinguish, but the overall image is much gentler on the eyes, especially during long work sessions. Mode 3 is called Ink Paper. This switches the display into pure black and white. That feels very similar to an e-ink reader. It's excellent for reading PDFs, reviewing documents, sketching ideas, or annotating anything. And the best part is how instant the transition is. There is no digging through menus or changing settings, just one button press and the entire display changes mode immediately with a cute little transition. The screen itself also has a nano-etched matte finish, so it doesn't feel slippery like a glass. There is a subtle paper-like texture to it, and when drawing or writing with the pen, you get just enough resistance to make it feel natural and controlled. let's talk about the pen. The X3 Pro Pencil 2 comes with 16 thousandths level of pressure sensitivity, which gives you a huge amount of control while drawing or writing. Light strokes, heavy strokes, subtle shading, it responds smoothly and naturally to different variation in pressure. And honestly, the feature I appreciate the most is the fact that it never needs charging. You simply pick it up and start using it every single time. The pen attaches magnetically to the side of the tablet, so it's always within reach and ready to go. There is no pairing process, no charging cable, and no frustrating warning like 2% battery remaining appearing right in the middle of a project. Coming from the Apple Pencil, this feels genuinely refreshing. The pen also includes a programmable side button for shortcuts, and the matte finish gives it a comfortable grip that feels great. So here's how I've personally been using the Magic Note Pad over the past few weeks as an architect. For freehand sketching and concept drawing, it's honestly been a really enjoyable experience. The combination of the paper-like matte surface and the pressure-sensitive pen makes sketching feel natural and controlled. For PDF annotation and reviewing plans, I usually switch to ink paper mode. I open my drawings or documents and annotate directly. The black and white display creates a very clean and distraction-free workspace, and it's much easier on the eyes. If you regularly work with technical drawings or large amounts of documentation, this alone makes the tablet worth considering. For note-taking while on site or during meetings, it's excellent. The tablet is lightweight, the pen activates instantly, and everything stays organized inside the XPPEN Notes app, which, by the way, comes with a lifetime subscription included with the device. Inside the Notes app, you get multiple brush options, handwriting to text conversion, PDF importing and editing, and even audio recording support. The last feature is especially useful during meetings, since you can record discussions while taking notes to make sure nothing important gets missed. One feature I've been really enjoying is the Quick Note shortcut. If inspiration strikes, you can simply hold the button on the pen and tap the screen. The tablet instantly wakes up and opens the XPPEN Notes app, ready for you to sketch or write immediately. Another nice addition is that WPS Office comes pre-installed on the tablet, so you can easily open and edit PowerPoint, Word, and Excel files right away. This also includes a 1-month free premium membership for access to more advanced features. And because this runs on Android, you're not locked into a limited ecosystem. You can download pretty much any creative or productivity app you want from the Google Play Store, apps like Concepts, Infinite Painter, Sketchbook, and many more. With 128 GB of storage built in, there's also plenty of space for drawings, PDFs, apps, and project files. And that's it for this video. I can clearly say the XPPEN Magic Note Pad is a really well thought out product. It's lightweight, the drawing feel is genuinely amazing, and that 3-in-1 screen mode is a very interesting feature. It's a focused, portable device built for sketching, note-taking, reading, and annotating, and it does those things really well. So if that's the kind of workflow you are looking for, it's definitely worth considering. I also appreciate that everything you need is included right in the box, and overall the price is much more accessible compared to an iPad or a Remarkable, for example. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!